This is the 2019 Honda Civic EX. This vehicle is equipped with fog lights as well as LED daytime running lights. You do have steering wheel controls as well as part of the Honda Sensing Suite. You'll have adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Nice large display screen. Connect in your smartphone with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Bluetooth your audio in. Dual climate control. Heated seats. You will have push button start on your key fob. Brake hold, electronic parking brake, econ mode. Deep storage here. You also have a USB port. You also have another USB port and power port. You will have the all-weather floor mats in the front. As well as in the back. And you'll have a capless fuel filler. You have a backup camera, all-weather floor mat in the trunk, as well as a spare tire and kit. This is the 2019 Honda Civic EX.